Alex was a diligent and disciplined individual who adhered to a structured daily routine that he believed was key to his success. Each morning, the alarm clock would ring at precisely 6 a.m., and Alex would eagerly spring out of bed, ready to tackle the day ahead. His day would start with a morning workout, a mix of cardio and weightlifting. He found that this routine not only energized his body but also sharpened his mind. After a refreshing shower, he'd enjoy a nutritious breakfast, usually a bowl of oatmeal and a glass of freshly squeezed orange juice. Alex was a high-achieving professional, so his workday was well organized. He'd arrive at the office by 8 a.m., armed with a to-do list that he had prepared the night before. He believed in the power of focused work, and he tackled his most important tasks in the morning when his concentration was at its peak. At lunchtime, he'd take a short break to recharge. A brisk walk in the nearby park allowed him to clear his mind and get some fresh air. He'd return to the office feeling invigorated and ready to complete his afternoon tasks. In the evening, after finishing work, Alex dedicated time to personal growth. He loved to read, and he would immerse himself in a book for an hour or two, expanding his knowledge and imagination. He also set aside time for a hobby, often practicing the guitar or painting, which allowed him to unwind and express his creativity. Dinner was a balanced and healthy meal, and he always made it a point to eat with mindfulness, savoring every bite. After dinner, he'd spend quality time with his family, whether it was playing board games, going for a family walk, or simply having heartfelt conversations. Before going to bed, he'd plan the next day's tasks, ensuring that his routine remained organized. At 10 p.m., he'd retire to his cozy bedroom, where he'd read a few pages from a novel or listen to soothing music to relax. Alex's disciplined daily routine had become the cornerstone of his success and overall well-being. It allowed him to achieve his goals, maintain a healthy work-life balance, and continuously grow as an individual. His commitment to this routine had shaped him into a person of great accomplishments and contentment. As Alex's life continued to unfold, his daily routine adapted to new challenges and opportunities. He understood the importance of adaptability and knew that flexibility was just as vital as structure. On weekends, he made sure to incorporate relaxation and leisure into his schedule. Saturday mornings often meant a leisurely breakfast with his family, followed by a day of exploration. They would go on hikes, visit museums, or take day trips to discover new places. These weekends allowed him to recharge and create beautiful memories with his loved ones. Alex was also a firm believer in giving back to the community. On Sundays, he dedicated his time to volunteer work. Whether it was helping at a local shelter, organizing community events, or offering his skills to those in need, he found great fulfillment in making a positive impact on others' lives. Throughout his journey, Alex's daily routine provided him with not only a sense of structure but also the balance to enjoy life's simple pleasures. He understood that success was not just about achievement but also about maintaining a sense of purpose, happiness, and connection with the world around him. As time went on, Alex's daily routine evolved to align with his changing aspirations and priorities. But one thing remained constant: his commitment to living a purposeful and well-balanced life, where he strived for success while cherishing the beauty of each moment.